When it comes to power tools, Bosch is one of those names that just keeps popping up. Need to cut something? Bosch. Need to drill, level, clean, or fix just about anything? Bosch again. They're not just focused on one thing. They are everywhere. That's why in this video, we have listed 10 coolest Bosch power tools that will give you amazing results on the needed job. First up, meet the Bosch 18V brushless biscuit joiner. If you're into woodworking, this cordless gem is your ticket to tight, seamless joints. It's super lightweight at 4.6 pounds without the battery, making it a breeze to handle for furniture or cabinet work. The brushless motor delivers up to 8,000 revolutions per minute, and you can tweak the depth for biscuit sizes 0, 10, and 20 with 6 preset stops. The blade angle adjustment dials and cuts from 0 to 90 degrees, and the tool-free fence makes setup a snap. It's got extreme protection technology to fend off dust and water, and the ergonomic grip keeps you comfy all day. Perfect for clean, precise joinery without the cord hassle. Next, let's shred some yard waste with the Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 corded shredder. This thing's a beast for turning branches and garden debris into mulch faster than you can say compost. With a 2,200 watt motor, it chews through branches up to 40 millimeters thick at 80 strokes per minute. The hardened steel double blade is built to last, and the fast feed hopper makes loading a breeze. At 26.5 pounds, it's easy to move around your yard, and the collection box holds 50 liters of shredded goodness. It's a game changer for keeping your garden tidy and eco-friendly. For the concrete crew, check out the Bosch 18V half-inch chuck mud mixer. This cordless mixer is all about making quick work of mixing drywall mud, plaster, or thin set. The brushless motor spins up to 950 revolutions per minute with 7 speed settings, so you can dial in the perfect mix. It's got a half-inch chuck for standard mixing paddles, and kickback control stops the tool if it jams, keeping you safe. Weighing 7.9 pounds without the battery, it's balanced for less arm strain, and the soft start tech prevents splashy messes. Ideal for remodelers who need power without a cord. Woodworkers, you're gonna love the Bosch 18V brushless top handle jigsaw. This cordless jigsaw is a curve cutting champ, slicing through wood up to 5 1/8 inches thick. Its brushless motor pumps out 800 to 3,800 strokes per minute, with 4 pendulum stages to switch between fast cuts and clean edges. The tool-free blade change is a time saver, and the adjustable blade guide keeps cuts straight. At 5.9 pounds without the battery, it's light enough for overhead work, and the connectivity with the Bosch Toolbox app lets you tweak speeds or turn on the LED light remotely. A must for intricate cuts. If you've got big cutting jobs on the horizon, the Bosch Pro Factor 18-volt 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw is definitely worth a look. Even though it's cordless, don't let that fool you. This thing packs serious power. Thanks to its brushless motor that cranks out 5,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers the kind of performance you'd expect from a worm drive saw, making quick work of thick lumber, like 2x material. It has a generous cutting depth of 2 5/8 inches, so it's built to handle the heavy stuff. Weighing in at just 10.4 pounds without the battery, it's actually lighter than many corded saws, which makes a big difference when you're working overhead or on a long job. The rear handle gives you better control and reach, especially when making longer cuts. Plus, the blade is mounted on the left side, which is a huge win for right-handed users. It gives you a clear view of your cut line, so you can stay precise without having to lean awkwardly. And when you're done with a cut, the electronic brake kicks in to stop the blade quickly, so there's less waiting around and more getting things done. Sprucing up your space? The Bosch UniversalSpray 18-volt 300 is your go-to for painting or spraying without the mess. This cordless sprayer, part of the Power for All 18V system, pumps out up to 500 milliliters per minute, perfect for fences, furniture, or garden gear. It comes with 2 nozzles, one for paint and one for thicker stuff like wood preservative, so you can switch tasks easily. The 300 milliliter tank is quick to refill, And at 4.2 pounds with the battery, it's light enough to use one-handed. Plus, it's got a shoulder strap for longer jobs and works with any Bosch 18V battery. Great for quick, clean finishes. If precision leveling is what you're after, the Bosch 12-volt, max 360-degree connected green beam, 3-plane leveling, and alignment laser has your back. This compact yet powerful tool projects bright green beams with a range of up to 165 feet. Perfect for everything from aligning walls to hanging cabinets with pinpoint accuracy. It features 3 full 360-degree planes, giving you complete room coverage, and it's accurate to within 1/8 of an inch at 33 feet, which means your lines stay sharp and true. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, you can adjust settings right from your phone using the Bosch Leveling Remote app. It runs on either a 12-volt max battery or 4 AA batteries, giving you flexibility on the job site. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, it's super easy to carry around. And with an IP65 rating, it's tough enough to handle dust and water without blinking. It's a layout tool that pros will love for its reliability, precision, and convenience. For demolition pros, the Bosch SDS-max bushing tool is a heavy-duty champ for your rotary hammer. This 1-inch by 1-inch square tool is 16 inches long, designed for texturing or smoothing concrete surfaces. It's built for SDS-max hammers, delivering maximum impact for chipping or scaling jobs. The steel construction is tough enough for rough work, and it's perfect for prepping surfaces before resurfacing or creating non-slip textures. Pair it with your Bosch hammer for killer results on tough concrete jobs. Dealing with plumbing problems? The Bosch Drain Cleaner. 10 is a real game changer when it comes to clearing clogs and pipes up to 50 millimeters wide. This corded powerhouse uses high-pressure water, blasting at 160 bar, to break through stubborn blockages, and its 10-meter hose gives you the reach to tackle deep or hard-to-access areas. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it delivers 1.6 liters of water per minute, making it both strong and efficient. The auto-stop feature is a smart touch, pausing the flow as soon as you release the trigger to help conserve water. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, it's easy to carry around, and it comes with 2 handy nozzles, a point jet for tough clogs and a flat jet for general cleaning. It's a compact, versatile tool that keeps your drains clear, no plumber required. Finally, for measuring big spaces, the Bosch measuring wheel. GWM 32 Professional is a trusty sidekick. This lightweight wheel at 3.3 pounds measures up to 9,999 meters with a 25 1/4 inch wheel for smooth rolling. The ergonomic pistol grip and aluminum die-cast frame make it comfy and durable, while the counter reset ensures accurate tracking. Perfect for surveyors or landscapers measuring long distances without breaking a sweat. A cordless screwdriver one-time investment that pays for itself with every screw you tighten. So, meet the Go Gen 3 screwdriver from Bosch. This is your go-to tool for making everyday fixes and DIY projects faster, easier, and a lot more efficient. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or doing delicate electronics work, this screwdriver is designed to handle it all with precision and ease. Thanks to the universal bit locker, you won't have to worry about dropped bits anymore. It securely holds any 1/4 inch hex screwdriver bit in place for a smooth and frustration-free experience. Plus, the integrated LED ring not only lights up those dark, hard-to-reach corners, but also serves as a battery status indicator, so you're always in control. This handy tool comes with the advanced mechanical clutch, which gives you 7 torque settings so that you can adjust the power exactly as needed. With its compact design and thoughtful features, the Bosch Go Gen 3 is a practical and versatile addition to any toolbox, and obviously a wise buy for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. Now here comes the Bosch Professional Cordless Circular Saw, an ideal choice for people who are new to cutting tasks. Its powerful brushless motor not only ensures impressive cutting performance, but also offers faster cutting speeds, making it easier to accomplish tasks efficiently. Additionally, the brushless motor design contributes to the saw's longevity and reduces the need for frequent maintenance, perfect for those who are just starting out and may not be familiar with extensive tool upkeep. Moreover, the compact design of the circular saw enhances maneuverability and ease of use, allowing users to handle it with confidence and precision. So, that's our rundown of the coolest Bosch tools for amazing outcome. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.